Hello, this is Joe Lungen. I am recording a video to help technicians create follow-up work orders using a mobile device. For today's help document, we will be using an iPod Touch. You will open Agentry from your device, and currently I will transmit to bring in my current work orders. In order to create a follow-up, I need to have a started work order active on my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and start this work order. I'll confirm that. So now you can see that the work order is started. I would go ahead and perform obviously any work that needs to be done on the work order. And when I'm finished, in order to create a follow-up work order, I need to complete the original. So in order to do that, I'll press Action and choose Complete. On this screen, I can check the failure and problem code, cause, for the original work order. This is not yet for the follow-up. I will now press Finish, and at this time the device will ask you if you want to add additional work. This is for a follow-up work order. You would select Yes. This will now open a new window where you can add a description of the follow-up work order. Okay, so once you add your description, you click Done. This will bring you back to the screen where you can continue adding details about the follow-up work order. So you can now see your description. I will go ahead and click where it says Select PRI, which is short for priority. This will bring up a window at the bottom where you can scroll up or down to select from the 5 priority options. So I've selected my priority. I can now choose a failure mode. So I'm going to say that this is a general facility failure. Again, using the scroll at the bottom, and press Done when finished. I can select a specific problem. These codes are based off of the type of failure that you've chosen. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to say that there's some kind of electrical failure. I'll say Done. Now you can add notes at this point by pressing the I. So let me go back at the bottom here where it says Note. You press the circle with the I. This is actually going to show up in the work logs. Okay, when you're finished, press Done. So I've now added all the information about my follow-up work order. I will press Finish. The system will now ask me, do I need to add additional work? So this would be to add an additional follow-up work order. The system will continue to ask this up to 10 times, and you can select Yes each time and continue adding follow-up work orders. When you press No, it will then continue through the completion process for the original work order. So you would make sure that your time is correct for either regular or overtime. Because this is a test work order, I'm going to set this to 0 time. Confirm that your start and end times are correct. It's just making sure that I want to save this to 0 hours. I'm going to say OK. It's going to verify your skill and labor code is correct. And then it's going to bring me to the time entry screen. I don't have any time entries for this particular work order, so I can press the assignment at the top of the screen and go back to the original assignment, which is now showing complete. and my follow-up work order was submitted as part of that completion process. Okay, so that work order will go ahead and transmit back automatically, and now my follow-up work order will be with work reception, where it'll go through the standard triage process. Thank you.